guys, welcome to your pre-acro lesson 4. We're gonna jump right in and get started. Unfortunately, I don't have the whole class with me today, but I have Allison here who is amazing. She's going to be demonstrating what we would typically do in this class. So we're gonna go ahead and get started back here. Usually I would play the music. The assistant would be in front here and she would be leading the runs, and we would do this for 3 minutes, running around, laps around the studio, and as I call out the word sprawl, they drop down to the floor, drop, foot, 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 and up, as quickly as possible, yes? So we're not gonna play music today. You're gonna just follow me when I say sprawl. She's gonna jump. Actually, she can run by herself. Ha! Okay, Allison's going. She's running in a circle all the way around, staying in line. You don't have to do smaller circles. Sprawl. Sprawl. Run. Small circles, smaller. Just go right here. Keep going. Run. Run. Sprawl. 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 So as she's running, keep going. As Allison's running, I'm going to demonstrate for you what a sprawl looks like. It's not the same as a burpee. It is quick. You drop, you go. Foot, 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 up. There's no jump involved. And sprawl. Drop. Foot, 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 foot. Yeah, we're not jumping onto our feet. And sprawl. Foot, 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 foot. And finish. Okay, come onto the mat. Good, so you usually would do that for 3 minutes. We're on our tummies, facing this way for me, please. Good, hands underneath the shoulders, press it up into Cobra, nice and straight, buns on our bums. Look at how beautiful that is. And all the way down, flat like a pancake. Good, press up right foot to the head. She holds for 4, 3, 2, 1, and all the way down. Press up left foot to the head, holding it for 4, 3, 2, and all the way down. Press up both toes to the head for 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Go ahead to close our legs, knees and ankles close together. Press up nice and tall into your cobras. Buns on your bums. And all the way down. Press up right foot to the head. And all the way down. Press up left foot to the head. And all the way down. Press up both toes to the head. So I am going a little bit faster here than what would happen in a whole class. And all the way down. Push back into turtle pose. Good. And we're coming up onto our knees. Miss Allison's going to open her knees just slightly. She's going to place her hands in front of her chest. She's going to lean back as far as she can go and right back up 4 times. So 1, and again, 2, and 3, and 4. If you have some students in your pre-class, which we do, that can do it full out, she's going to place her arms up to her ears. You go back, you can have your students do this one all the way up and down. Yep, 4 times, nice and slow, arms to your ears. And up. Good, onto our tummies, lifting up into boat pose. We're holding for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We paddle 1 and hold. 2, beautiful, hold. 3 and hold. And 4, wow. And 5, she looks good. And 6, and 7, and 8. Rock your boats and chest and legs. Oh my goodness, how perfect and how beautiful is this? Well done, thank you, Allison. Good, so since that was so good, I'm not gonna make her do it again, but in class, I would usually do that 2 times. Hands behind the head, still warming up here. Lift up for 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 slowly, 4, 5, lead with the head, 6, and 7, and 8. Not all of your kids are gonna look like this. 9 and 10, arms up for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. She has been training with me for 3 years, so she knows exactly what we do here. Good, we're gonna roll over onto our backs. We're gonna press up into our back bend and hold it for 20 seconds for 1, 2, squeezing our bums, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Come on down, relax. Hug your knees. 4 rock and rolls, please. Good, we're going to press up into our back bend. We have our right leg up to the ceiling. If you want to count your class, you can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right arm up for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left arm up for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax, come on down. So that is what your Backbend series should look like when the kids are a little bit stronger. So in the beginning of the month, I don't time them like that. I just go around and say, on your own time, let's practice lifting a leg. And then by the end of the month, by that 4th week, you want to have a goal set with yourself and with your students that they have whatever is on that lesson plan. So they should be able to do this by the end of the month. That way you're moving forward. Okay, press up into our back bend, deep back bend stretch. We're gonna walk our hands as close to our feet as possible. Again, I don't time this one because I don't wanna give the kids any more headaches than what they already get from doing back bends. And make sure that they're breathing as well. And come on down. Again, she's been doing this for a while, so not all of your students are going to look like that in this class. Totally normal. Good, next we're going to do our straight leg back bend. So we press up, knees and ankles together, and we're squeezing our bums and our legs are active. Fingers should be facing the back. Yes, thank you, ma'am. And come on down, relax. Good, we're gonna sit up on our bum. We are going to take a little mini stretch break. We're gonna stretch our legs forward. We're gonna reach it forward and we're gonna hold. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit faster in these stretches, but you take your time in class. Good, butterflies, soles of the feet together, walk the hands forward, and we would hold it there for 10 seconds. Good, we're gonna come up, we're gonna open up into our straddles. Let's go ahead and face the front of the camera there in the center. Good, we're gonna take our nose over to the right leg, and I would hold it for 10, no big toes on the floor. Good, and nose over to the left leg, and we would hold it here for 10. Walking it down the center, and we would hold it here for 10. Good, go ahead and come on up. We're gonna come onto our tummies and we're gonna go into our baskets. So we're gonna grab the insides of our feet. So first, yes, this is your full basket, okay? But come on down for me, Allison. Grab your feet, grab the insides of your feet. So right now, your students probably look like either this, hold, lift up and hold, this, or maybe they're just now starting to bend their arms. So go ahead and bend them just a little bit. Yes, or they're probably about there. Regardless of where they are, hold that basket for 10, 9, go ahead all the way through 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that basket for 10 counts. Good, relax. So it doesn't matter where they are in the progression, hold that basket. Next, we're gonna go into chin stands. So Ms. Allison's gonna come to the back of the mat, just a regular chin stand. So she's gonna roll down, toes to head, and we're holding, okay? So again, your students are not going to be this flexible right away. She's gone through this whole pre-program. She's actually in the fundamentals level. Go ahead and come down, Allison. That was beautiful, but your pre's right now, what's more, what they're gonna look like is just rolling down, not necessarily holding it and coming right back up. So come onto your knees, Allison. And she's gonna roll down and back up. Yeah, they're not really going to be holding it for forever at this stage. We do have a few that are holding it maybe for like 3 seconds at about now in this lesson 4, which is a good progression. It's good progress. So you would just do your normal chin stands. Perfect, and down. Okay, so our normal chin stands are toes to head. All right, let's go ahead and stand up. We're gonna do our scorpions. So standing from the side, Allison's gonna face this way. She's gonna have a strong arm, grabbing the inside of the foot and lifting that knee up. We're gonna keep this arm straight for right now. Nope, go back to where you were. Yes, straight arm, straight, hold that. Look forward, look at this hand, hold it there by yourself for 10, 9, 10, 9, point that toe, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and other side. So we're gonna grab this hand, yep. Keep that arm straight. Find something to stare at. Hold for 10, 9, good, 8, 7, yes, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Okay, onto our hands and knees facing the front. Actually, go ahead and face the side for me, Allison. Here's your drill. We're gonna come onto our hands and knees, pointing our right foot to the back. You have our 10 pointed toes. Point your foot. There we go. 10 straight legs, 10 toe to heads. Here we go. 7 and a 1, tendu. 2, straight knee. 3, that's bending. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, head up. 9, 10, toe to head for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Good. Left side, quickly. Ready? Let's turn and face this way. Straight legs first. Other foot. 5, 6, 7, she goes for 1, 2, 3, straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, toe to head for 1, 2, don't knock yourself out. 3, 4, toe to head. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Shake it out. So now Allison is working on her extended butterfly hold. She's been working on this one for a while. Ooh, there we go. And it looks like she just got it today on camera. Look at that. She's sitting up super flat and tall, so she's not rolling back. She's not hunchback. We've been working on this for a while. There we go. Hold it. Stay. Ah! Point that foot. Yes. Knee. Yay! She got it. Round of applause around the world. Good job. Thank you. So next we're going to do our headstands up on the wall. So she's going to walk. Yep. And she's kicking up foot, foot, and holding. Okay. Good. She's going to come back down and do that one more time. So by now your students should be able to do their headstand on the wall, kicking up. Whoop. Squeezing. Good. And she's going to come down 1 foot at a time. Okay, next we're going to go into our elbow stands. So right about now your students probably still aren't holding this one. Good, and come on down. But they probably are more or less just kicking up and down. So Allison will demonstrate just the kicks and what they look like. Oh, there we go. So you want your back leg to touch the wall and come right back down. No kicking and switching, just touching. She touches and comes back down. Yes, this is what they look like right about now. And now we're going to come up onto our feet and our hands, and we're going to do our handstands. So eventually, yes, we do have some in the pre-lesson 4 that are holding it right now. And then some are still doing their L kicks, which is their foot, hand, foot. Can you go ahead and show an L kick from standing, please? Stand up. So an L kick looks like this. She's going to go kick and up. So we have some students, and that's totally normal at this stage as well. Back foot touches the wall and comes right back down. Okay, so next is traveling across the floor. So Allison is going to demonstrate our forward rolls. Hands on the floor, she tucks her head. She stands up with no hands, feet together. Perfect. So one more time, it looks like this. Ouch. Okay, and next we are going to demonstrate our back rolls. So Allison is going to turn around. Can you do it by yourself yet? No, she's not yet. So we have our feet together. 1, 2, 3, she's going to sit, she rolls, her hands go there, she's going to push up. Perfect. So one more time, she sits, she's going to roll, feet on the floor, and up. Good. So next would be our crab walks across the floor. So this is what you're going to be working with right now. And it is normal to go ahead and turn around, lie down on your back, to have a few that are ready for back bend walks at this time. So she's going to press up into her back bend. Nope, turn around. Press up into her back bend. And if you do have those students that are ready for this one, then they would just go straight into their back bend walks across the floor, like so. So you can have some doing crab walks and some doing their back bend walks. Good, go ahead and come up. Next, we're gonna go ahead and do our cartwheels on the right. So Allison's going to put her right foot in front. Yep, with 2 hands, cartwheels all the way across the floor. Yep, keep going. And one more. Good, and then go ahead and come run back over here. Good, now we're gonna do our cartwheels on the left. So she has her left leg to the front. Good, okay, so that was our traveling across the floor. Next is our partnering section, which we will quickly demonstrate for you, is front angel. Yeah, we don't need a mat. So Allison's going to stay straight as a board. She's gonna fall 1, 2, so this is a nice trust exercise. 3, and then now we're gonna go right into straight arms, feet together. Front angel, stay, focus, feet together. Slowly moving the arms, good. Okay, and last but not least would be our cradle around the world, which she's a lot bigger than like what she was last year, so I don't know how well we'll be able to do this, but we can try. So 1, 2, 3, she jumps. Oh, 1, 2, 3, she goes around. 1, 2, 3, she's gonna let go. She's gonna cross her arms across her chest. She's gonna go down and around. Yay, we can still do it. So that's your cradle around the world. Whew, that was actually better than like what you used to do. Well done. Okay, so last but not least is gonna be our stretching. So we're just gonna take a lunge here quickly. We are in a little bit of a rush, so we're gonna just jump right through these. Lunge stretch to the right, lunge stretch to the left. Good, the most important stretch to go over next would be also our over the toe stretch. So you sit on your feet like this, and we're gonna rock up and press up on top of those toes to stretch the tops of our feet as well. Okay, let's stand up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you next month for lesson 5. Thank you.